You're watching ZBTV. I hope this video finds you nice and cool wherever you're at. If you didn't watch TalkZack last time, go check out that episode number 5, where I talked about the stuff that's going on in my life. But right now, we're moving between trucks. Part 1, the planning on Truckin. Dear friends and followers, welcome back to my channel. Greetings from the sleeper berth, and I hope y'all are doing amazing out there. Yeah, before I get some shut-eye, I want to film this episode here on how y'all can move to a different truck. Now, let's say you're an owner-operator getting a brand new truck, or a U-to-U truck. Or you're a company driver that's moving between divisions and they assign you a different tractor. What steps do you need to take when you get your truck to the terminal? That's coming up. So, I'm going to be covering this over the next few days, as this is a step-by-step process, and therefore, I want you to be in the know on how to do this, so if it ever happens to you, that you're ready and prepared. Now, I know that most of y'all will change trucks at some point during your trucking career. And by change trucks, I mean your company may reassign you to a different tractor. You may change divisions. You may go into a lease purchase program or a owner-operator mentorship program. In those situations, you will want to make sure that the truck you're moving out of is absolutely clean and the truck you're moving into is ready to go. There's a few checklists you'll have to go through. So today I'm going to cover the planning. Tomorrow I plan on doing a part 2, which is the actual move. So the first part of the planning process for this is to make sure that you have your stuff packed and ready to go. That means putting your couple nights before, start putting your clothes in suitcases, start putting your cleaning supplies in containers, and start the process of getting things ready so that you have a nice, easy move. Now, the moving process itself takes about a day. Sometimes less, sometimes more. And when you're doing so, being organized is the key to making sure that you have everything you need when you get into your next vehicle. Now, this series will not apply as much to those who are slip seating, which means multiple drivers sharing a vehicle in a day cab configuration. And this may not apply as much to some team driving operations, such as training, where you've got to keep your stuff packed and where you've got multiple guys that are sharing the right seat with you. In that situation, and yes, my first job was at a training company, so I kind of know this already. You'll want to just take as little as possible in the first place. Is what means to take the bare minimum and leave it in your suitcase until your trainer or your driver tells you otherwise. Now, the steps to this process are making sure that your stuff's packed, make sure that you have a place to store that stuff, organize that stuff, And finally, make sure that the vehicle is in good condition for the next person who takes it. Check with your company for the checklists on all that stuff, or perhaps the handbook for details. And if your company doesn't issue you a handbook for whatever reason, contact your dispatch. They will be the ones in the know. So, let's get all that stuff together now. And then, on the next episode, I'll cover the actual move. Until next time, let's make your best trip your next trip. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.